You can live longer and healthier if you start this now. Wow.
Look at this flamingo. Elegant, stable, beautiful. Now, look at us. When was the last time you tried to stand on one leg? Was it in yoga class 20 years ago? Or was it never? You might think, Georgie, I'm not a bird. Why do I care? Well, a shocking study from the British Journal of Sports Medicine says you should care. They found that if you are over 50 and cannot stand on one leg for just 10 seconds, your risk of dying in the next decade goes up by 84%.
84% higher risk. Not a party trick, a survival skill.
Your 100-year companion, guiding you through life's journey together.
Today, we are going to take this test together, right now. Are you ready to see if you are a flamingo or a falling tree?
The science. Why balance matters.
Before we jump up, let's look at the science. Why is this simple move so hard?
Standing on two legs is easy. Your body goes on autopilot. But standing on one leg, that is a stress test for your brain. Your brain has to coordinate your eyes, your inner ear, vestibular system, and the tiny sensors in your joints, all at the same time. If you wobble, it's not just because your legs are weak. It's because your brain's communication system is getting a little rusty. Practice.
The interactive test. Let's do it.
Okay, enough talk. It's time for the truth. I want everyone watching this video to stand up. Yes, put the coffee down. Get off the couch. Wait, safety rule number 1. Stand next to a wall or a sturdy chair. I don't want you to fall and break a hip while watching my video. That would be bad for my subscriber count. Are you ready? Lift one foot off the ground. Place it behind your other calf. Arms by your side, look straight ahead. I'm going to count.
Get ready. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You did great. And relax.
Let's do this. All right, let's try this. Whoa, steady now. This is harder than it looks, but I'm having fun. Be honest with me. How did it go? Did you stand tall like a proud flamingo, or did you shake and wobble like a tree in a hurricane? Pause the video right now and leave a comment below. Type flamingo if you passed, Hype wobbly tree if you failed. Don't be shy. I want to see how many flamingos we have in our community. I'll be waiting in the comments to cheer you on.
The solution. How to fix it. Toothbrush training.
If you typed wobbly tree, do not panic. You are not doomed. Remember, balance is a skill. You can learn it again. Here is the easiest way to fix it. I call it toothbrush training.
We all brush our teeth twice a day for 2 minutes, right?
I hope so.
From now on, every morning while you brush your upper teeth, stand on your left leg. While you brush your lower teeth, stand on your right leg. You are already standing at the sink, so if you lose balance, you can grab the counter. It's safe, it's free, and you won't forget to do it. Do this for 3 weeks, and you will turn from a wobbly tree back into a flamingo, guaranteed.
Aging isn't about what we lose, it's about what we protect. Protect your balance, and you protect your independence. If you enjoyed this test, please hit the like button. It helps me balance the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe for more fun ways to live to 100.
I did it!
Thanks for watching your 100-year companion. Until next time, keep standing tall.